Hello. Today we're going to go over two classic algebra mistakes that you'll see commonly happen on students' homework or tests. First one is the classic where we have two numbers represented in this case by x and y, and we're squaring the quantity. What students will commonly do is distribute the two to both parts, leaving them with x squared plus y squared. This is incorrect. The quantity x plus y squared does not equal x squared plus y squared. Here's why. When you take the quantity of something and square it, what you're really saying is you have that quantity, x plus y, and you're multiplying it again by itself. And from here, we can see that we can either FOIL or simply distribute to get our answer. If we FOIL, we do our first x times x, that will get us x squared. Do our outer, x times y is plus xy. Do the inside, y times x is plus yx. And then the outer, y times y is plus y squared. Simplifying this, we see that we have a xy and a yx, which are the same thing. So simplifying, we say x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. This is the correct answer. So again, to review, when you have a quantity of two numbers squared, such as our x and y, you cannot simply just distribute the two to both parts. You need to write it out because really you're taking that quantity multiplied by itself. Alright, so let's clear the board and talk about the other one. The other one comes with division, and it's when we have something like x minus 3 all over x. The common mistake is to say that this is equal to 1 minus 3, thinking that you can cancel out these x's right here, leaving you with a 1, and then subtracting by 3. This is not true. What's really happening here when we have x minus 3 over x is that we can separate this into saying x over x minus 3 over x. From here we can see, because we have just an x over an x, this will indeed cancel and leave us with 1. And then also we have the negative 3 over x, which will not reduce and will stay the same. The common mistake happens is that thinking that because you see an x on top and an x on the bottom that you can immediately cancel. But because there is not an x in both the x and the 3, you are not allowed to do so.